What's up, guys? Another video. Another day, another video, of course. You want to talk, Ava?
Hi guys, I'm Mela.
That's not her real name. It's Ava Chavez. So we're gonna be posting another video.
It's called
It's
Blood Baby.
what are you even talking about? So we're gonna play Subway Surfers again. So hope you love it, guys. Subway Surfers. Hope you love it, guys. It's Subway Surfers, of course. Ew, Ava, disgusting. So yeah, thank you, Ava, thank you, but I didn't really need that. Okay. Ooh, another thing. Dapper Duo. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, I gotta wait for the next 8 hours. Ooh, Super Mystery Monday. Hope you love it, guys.
No, we had to win.
So this is another. Ava, stop. Ava, you're gonna be doing it, okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna be recording you.
I know.
Ava, now pause it. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna place on the headset on Ava. Ava, do not say anything weird.
Okay.
Because they're gonna get me monetized, Ava. Yeah, so Ava's now.
Oh no.
No.
I bet you.
Guess she's talking now.
Hey guys. Hey guys. It's me, Sabbath. And welcome back to my video.
Well, we're gonna be recording her at least. Okay, Ava, here we go.
Here we go, guys.
No, Ava! Ava, you're missing the coins. No. Yeah. Okay, bye, guys.